itong si Senator Robin Padilla na makalabas siya sa Senate premises. At
Well,
pwede bang i-charge siya ng aiding and abetting escape of a fugitive from justice?
Well, hindi naman na po contestable yan. It is Senator Padilla himself po confirmed na sa kanya sumakay, nakisakay sa kanya, at ibinaba niya sa isang lugar kung saan na kinuha. So, I think, without even the law enforcement asking Senator Padilla kung asan, I think he's a responsible senator, responsible citizen, na alam na niya na ngayon na dapat malagot sa batas. Siya na mismo ang voluntarily to shed light sa pangyayari na ito, ano po. Although the question of kanyang responsibility or anything that this should be answerable under the law is being studied and built up by the Department of Justice in coordination with other agencies involved po.